Solana is right now at this very interesting price area, and the chance that Solana will never be this cheap again is very high. In this video I will talk about Solana and share my price prediction for the next time, and I will share with you why I think this prices could be a great buying opportunity for Solana. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, Solana is on place 5 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $61 billion. And in the last time we saw this massive bullish explosion for Solana, we first broke through this supply zone right here to the upside. Then we came into this last high right here, which I mentioned earlier in my early Solana videos. Solana then came slightly over this high just with this wick, but the body close was under this line. So we took liquidity over this highs, because when people are shorting the market, they put their stop loss over this high. And as you can see, we saw this price action, the candle closed bearish. And after that, we saw this correction to the downside to this levels right here. And I think Solana is a great project with a very high potential, especially for this bull run. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that we have some very high price targets for this bull cycle. And as you can see, we also found rejection at the 0.786 Fibonacci level. And right now we are at this very interesting zone, because on the one hand, we have this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We saw this rejection right here, but we are also back in this earlier supply zone. Because as you can see, Solana found massive resistance and support in this area right here, between the price of $144 to $122. And also if you're looking at the latest swing, you can see that we also found rejection right here at the 0.618 Fibonacci of this swing. So if we now find some support and move to the upside again, then the chance is extremely high that we could see even higher prices, especially if Bitcoin is also moving to the upside and making new all-time highs. Then the chance is also high that Solana will make new all-time highs and go in the bull cycle. And if we're going on the daily chart, you can see that we are still in this bullish structure. We built higher lows and higher highs. Of course, we saw this rejection to the downside, but after this massive pump to the upside, the chance that we are seeing a retracement is there. But we didn't saw lower lows under this ones, we just saw this low. And if we now see a bullish move out of this last supply zone, then I think the chance is extremely high, as I said, that we see a bullish explosion. So I think that's a really nice buying opportunity. And also if we have a look at the liquidation heat map, you can see that we have a lot of liquidity right here at $190, and that we don't have enough liquidity right here in this region where the prices are right now. So the chance that we are going to the liquidity right here is very high. And also if we are looking at the EMA 110, you can see that we are at this prices right now. And the chance if we come back into the 110 EMA that we are seeing some bullish support is very high. So again, there are many signs that we will see higher prices for Solana if we see a bullish reaction in this zone. And if we are also looking at the price action on the 4-hour list, you can see that we took the liquidity which was resting under here because we saw this wick, this massive bullish increase from the zone. And right now we are consolidating in this area, we are going sideways. And I could imagine that we are slightly seeing a sweep down here and then a bullish reaction. And if we would see a scenario like this, then I think the chance is extremely high that we could see the bullish explosion and see new highs right here. Just if we are breaking to the downside and break this last low right here at $104, then I think the chance is high that we could see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this one to the downside, then I think the chance is extremely high that we can continue the bullish trend. And of course we have right now very cheap prices for Solana. So just from the prices right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential over 90%. And I showed you earlier some price targets, and I think a potential price target of $400 to $600 is very realistic for the cycle for Solana. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Solana, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again guys, I think right now is a very nice chance to get into a potential long trade on Solana. Solana moved after this massive bullish impulse back to this supply zone. And we also have the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level from this whole swing right here, which is supporting Solana. And we also have the swing right here from this last high. So the chance for some bullish support is very high. And again, on the daily chart, we are still bullish and we have this higher low right here. And the chance that we could see this bullish explosion is very high. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.